All right, folks, here comes Amtrak, Cold Starlight, train number 14, Cold Starlight. This is your northbound train to Seattle. Here it comes on platform number 1, a triple header coming over here, thanks to Air Fong with the heads up. P42 number 181, 19, and ALC 42, 303. Yeah, here you guys go. Look at that. Look at that. A triple header. Here you guys go. There you go. All right, folks. We'll be right back after these commercial break for the Coast Starlight street running. All right, stay tuned. Bye-bye. All right, folks, we are back. Amtrak Coast Starlight train number 14 is doing the street running right now. A triple header, 181, number 19, and 303 ALC 42. Come by all in one. All right. All right, Coast Starlight 14, give me a horn show. Show me what you got, buddy. Coaches. All right, have a safe trip, people in the lounge car. You got a diner card and 2 sleeper cars in the back. All right, folks, take that train going to Seattle. Heads up to Sail the Rail Fender. Heads up to everybody. That triple header is headed to your hometown. I am Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. And have a good one. My friends are... And alongside with my friends right here. Alongside with my friend. Okay? All right. Have a good one, you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.